Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you how to build a one product Shopify store in 10 minutes 2025 update. So guys, welcome back to the channel, and I know you've been wondering how you can actually build a Shopify store. That's a single product Shopify store. I'll be showing you how to do that in the next 10 minutes. Okay, so the first step would be to actually open up your browser. So just go ahead and open up your browser and make sure you're logged on to shopify.com/ your country code. So once you find yourself on shopify.com, how do you go about, creating an account, setting up the one product and stuff of that nature? So in order to set up a one product shop, you need to know what you're actually trying to sell. So you need to know what you want to sell. You need to know the kind of market that it has, so you don't end up selling a product that wouldn't leave shelves. I guess the best way to go about this is to ask AI. So we're going to be making use of ChatGPT in this tutorial to show you how you can request a one product Shopify store from ChatGPT and then take out its outputs, that's whatever it gives to us, and then turn it into a reality using Shopify. So your first step would be to head over to ChatGPT. Make sure you're on chatgpt.com. You don't have to really log in or sign up, but you can do that if you want to. So you can have kind of like a history backed. So your history is backed. So now we're going to be asking Shopify a couple of things. We're going to be asking it to help us design our store, banners and stuff like that. I don't know if I'll be able to have enough time to get into designing your Shopify store, but I'm going to show you how you can actually set it up so it's a one product store. Now let's go ahead and ask it a couple of questions. Like I said before, I'm going to skip this. Alright guys, so I requested that ChatGPT help select a product for my Shopify store, taking inspiration from the top selling products. I feel like that is one of the best prompts you could actually give ChatGPT, so you don't end up doing nonsense and wasting money setting up a Shopify store and not making profit off of it. All right, so what you're going to be doing next is after sending this text, let's hold on to this because this is a good prompt. All right, so now go ahead and send this prompt over to ChatGPT. And while the ChatGPT is searching up the web and helping us get the top selling products for the Shopify store, you could just head over to shopify.com and then click on where we have start for free. Alright guys, so on the account sign up page, we have here start your free trial, get 3 days free, then 3 months for $1, a month after that. And you can now choose to sign up with your email, a Google account, an Apple ID, or Facebook. And then we already have the login option, as I said earlier, for those who already have an account. Alright, so go ahead and click on sign up with email. Alright, so you're requested or required to add an email and then a password to follow up. Alright guys, so on the next page, I'm just going to go ahead and skip this process and show you what comes next. Okay guys, so it says here, where would you like to sell? We'll make sure you set up to sell in those places. We're going to select online stores, events, social media, online markets. You can now make this a personal decision and then simply click on next. On the next stop, is this a shop for a new or existing business? And then proceed to click on next. And then what size is your business? And then do you currently sell on other platforms? So what do you plan on selling? Now let's head back to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT has for us. It says here, based on current market trends and top selling products in 2024, here are some of the product categories you might consider for your Shopify store. Eco-friendly products, smart home devices, fitness and wellness accessories, beauty and personal care, home office supplies, pet supplies, personalized jewelry, and then in the next steps, we have market research, supplier selection, and branding. So I guess we can go with reusable water bottles. So now what you're going to do is just go ahead and highlight the product you wish to sell. Use the Control C on your computer or Command C, I believe, for the MacBook. And let's head over to the search. So once you're in the search menu, just go ahead and Control V or Command V and paste it there and simply enter. So reusable water bottles. Now what we're going to do is really simple. We're going to take images of these reusable water bottles and add to our Shopify store. Alright, so while it loads in the background, let's go ahead and finish up what we started at Shopify. the building your store. So what do you plan on selling? Products I buy or make myself. Just go ahead and click on next. So while it loads the next page, let's just head back to the reusable water bottles. So you can see here, reusable water bottles are a popular choice for staying hydrated while reducing plastic waste. So this is important. And then we also have a company that probably sells this. So you could partner with them and simply buy some of their hydro flasks and then resell them. So what we're going to do is right click and simply save image. So you're going to save the image onto your computer to simply make use of. Okay, just go ahead and click on save and then head over to images at the top of your screen so you can get more images for this product. Alright, so on this tab, just go ahead and select an image that looks really good like this. These two are really aesthetic, so just go ahead and select one of these and then simply right click and simply click on save image as, and then your Explorer would open up and you just click on save. You could also download this image, but I'm not seeing the option to do that right now. So you could have a couple of these saved onto your computer. Okay, there's an option to download. Alright guys, like this is actually your store. So we're just going to run through this. It says here, add your first product. So you remember we were deciding to select a cup that is a reusable cup for our first product. So just go ahead and click on add product and you'll be taken over to the products menu on Shopify. And once you're on this page, we have the add product page. We have title, description, media, category, pricing, inventory, shipping, variants, search engine listing, status, publishing, and other stuff. And towards your right, you'll find the setup guide that you can actually use while you're creating your shop or store. You could actually use this as a little guide to help with that. So what's the title of our product? We can head back to the search and get a title from there and just paste it in. Alright guys, so I went with reusable water bottle, and the description, you could actually go ahead and describe it. This is a reusable water bottle. And then for media, just go ahead and click on upload new. So click on upload new. You could upload new images, and then you could also click on select existing if you have some other images. So let's just go with this water bottles. So let's go with this and click on open. Hopefully it's accepted by Shopify. Okay, it's going ahead to upload. So water bottles, which has now been moved over to food and beverages. So yeah, that's the field we're going to be in, food and beverages. And then for pricing, you can now set a price and then cost per item and then your profit and then the margin. And then you can now compare at price. We also have inventory, so you can track the quantity and then you can now select the quantity. So if you have up to 100 of these bottles, you can have them here, and then continue selling when it's out of stock. This product has an SKU or barcode. I'm going to be skipping this. And then if you scroll down, you can now set the weights of the let's just put it at 3 kilograms. You can have variants, so it can come in different sizes or colors. Those are what we have, or those are what are known as variants. We now have a category field. So our field is water bottles and food and beverages. So that's our category. And then the status is set to active, and then it's an online store and product organization. So you could click on learn more to learn more about that. But we have type, we have vendor, we have collections, and we have tags. You can simply enter these, and then templates. So set to default product. And then when you're done, all you need to do is go ahead and click on save at the top of your screen, and you would have saved your first product. Don't forget to add the description as well, as it is actually important. At the bottom, you'll see here product created. Alright guys, so that's how you can actually set up a one product store on Shopify. We have added the product. You can go on with the marketing and ads and all that good stuff. So guys, comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.